Hey, welcome to Howza Channel. In today's lesson, you will learn how to fix disk usage 100%. Let's go! Right-click on the window icon at the bottom left corner and choose Computer Management from the list. Resize the window if needed. Click on Services and Application. Choose Services from the list. Go to the Standard tab on the right side of the window. Look for Connected User Experiences and Telemetry. Click on it to open the file. Set Startup Type to Disabled. Click on Stop. Click on Apply and OK. Scroll down and look for Superfetch. Click on it to open the file. Set Startup Type to Disabled. Click on Stop. Click on Apply and OK. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you use any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!